Castro dribbling the ball. Setting up the play to Rennie. Traveling violation. Noodles ball. Time is 7 minutes and 28 seconds. 7 minutes 28 seconds.
Rebound pa. Yeah! Pero nga pa, crossover! In one style!
Yes. Amancio. 2 points. Score is tied 2-all. Running time 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 6 minutes 50 seconds. Silvera 2 points. Foul number 9. Nico, first personal foul. Time is 6 minutes 16 seconds. 6 minutes 16 seconds. Foul number 3. Pulver. Naminaw ka ba?
Bulaw ni Kasol.
Amancio, wabo. Noodles ball. Running score is 4 against 2 in favor of Noodles section. Running time 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Enggak. Udah, Paldo. Pal. Okay na, mapal ka, sir? Sir, okay na, ipal ka? Okay na, sige. First personal foul. The living legend, Sir Edwin. Okay. Cabalo, 2 points.
Papa, layat!
Against 2. Running time 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Exactly 5 minutes. Soko, foul on Pulvera. Pulvera, that is your second personal foul and the third team foul for Noodles section. 2 free throws for Dante Soko. Wala, pink. Second throw. Score is 4 against 6. Touch. Noodles.